Hi guys, I'm Sharice and welcome back to my channel. So today I just have a quick tutorial of how I did these passion twists. Yeah, they came out okay. This is my first time trying it. I think I did good. So it was very easy. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I used the Freetress Waterwave 22" in the color TT30. I think I used 7 or 8 packs. I don't really remember. But anyways, so now I'm just showing you how to separate the hair. So you just take one strand and you pull it, like turn it over from the bottom, and then you kind of just like separate it to like fluff it out in a sense so the twist doesn't look as small. So you like pull it to like halfway and then you do the other side, and then yeah, that's it. It got a little frizzy, but that's okay. If it does that, just like smooth it out and you'll be fine. That's how it looks when it's all flipped out, and I use 3 strands per twist. So again, this is just me doing the same thing, and it was easier if you just fluff out all the pieces first, like in the pack, and then go to twist your hair. I think for me that like was less time consuming. Okay, so I already had my hair sectioned before. You need some edge control, a wide tooth comb, some Eco Styler gel or any gel, a rat tail comb to part your hair, and yeah, that's it. So I just take some edge control and I just like put it like on the base of my hair, and basically that's just to make sure like it stays like it holds and is nice and smooth and neat, because my hair is very thin, so it slips out of twist and braids easy. So then I put some some edge control on the hair that we're gonna put in, just so like it sticks better. And I tried to twist this in, but I could not figure it out. Like I tried 4, 5, 6, 7 times. I gave up. So I just start to braid it first and then I just twisted it. So I know I braid weird, but I kind of like put it in like a loop and then pull my hair through, if that makes sense. And I braid like normal, and then I braid like 2 to 3 times down, and then I split the hair down the middle and I begin to twist. So when you're twisting, to get the twist to stay, you have to like twist one in one direction and the other piece in the other direction. I hope that makes sense. I have no idea how to explain that. But you're like twisting simultaneously, but then like twisting them over each other. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't know. But yeah, so you just keep twisting down, and to make like the crinkly kind of effect or like curly effect, you like twist and then you like 3 times and you pull up. But I don't do that until after I pass my hair, just because my hair falls out and I want it to last a little bit. So I'm also putting some gel on the ends of my hair just to make sure that they like mesh in with the braiding hair better. So then you like keep twisting and you like pull up, if that makes sense. So like you see when I just like pulled up right there, that's how you get like it to like look like the curly part, I guess. I'm horrible at explaining, oh my god. So you just keep twisting all the way down And when I get to the bottom, I took a little Eco Styler gel and I just like twirled it around my finger. And yeah, that's about it. Yeah, you could cut the little excess part off if it's too long. So now I'm just showing you how I do the other one. It's the same process. But yeah, that's how I did it. The style was pretty easy. I just wish I could figure out how to like twist the hair in. If you have any tips, let me know down in below in the comments. But I like how it came out. It's nice and full. It didn't take that long. I think it took me like maybe 5-6 hours. But that's also because I didn't really know what I was doing at first. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Hopefully it was pretty easy. The only issue I had was like making them tight enough, like they're a little loose. Like I couldn't grip it for some reason. I don't know if it was just my hair or because my hair is thin and it slips easily, or I don't know. So if you guys figured out like how to make it tighter, let me know down below because I'm not sure. Like I like it, but like I wish it was tighter. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.